Hello traders. Today 26th of September. What an amazing day, guys. Beautiful trades. Let me share with you guys how I analyzed the dollar Swiss franc. That was a pretty straightforward, as mentioned my trader. We have this beautiful, nicely broken, as I explained my trader. Just keep taking a pullback. But keep in mind, so we have this impulsive move. We have this small correction. As explained to my trader, look for another pullback. We had a beautiful long trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. That was the pretty straightforward. And if you look at the dollar Swiss franc. This was the in trade we had it yesterday. After that, even this is the Asian session as explained. Look for another pullback around this level. Beautiful pullback, bang few PPs. Even after that, this morning, as explained to my trader, look for another structured breakout. So there was a beautiful breakout. You can see a market nicely develop, pullback and beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, still market is going up. As explained my trader, tighten your stop loss or consider banking few pips. So you want to see those analyses in real time, guys? So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community and enjoy all these analysis and explanation in real time and bank amazing profit. All the best.